People have been crashing cymbals for centuries. History tells us that cymbals were used in Israel in 1100 BC. Over the centuries, the finest cymbals have been manufactured in Turkey with a secret method for blending metals. And those time-honored techniques still resound in cymbal making today. Cymbals play an important role in today's music making. Each cymbal has its own character, resulting in subtle differences in tone. To make cymbals, they start with castings. In this case, they're made of a secret blend of copper, tin, and trace amounts of silver. A worker sorts them by weight. Then a moving tray that's powered hydraulically takes them to a rotary oven. 1500 degrees Fahrenheit softens the castings, and then workers shovel them into a rolling mill. It squeezes them between two big metal cylinders, and the effect is the same as rolling out pie crust. The castings become thinner, flatter, and larger. These castings go through a heating and rolling cycle up to 12 times, depending on the type of cymbal being made. The repeated heating and cross-rolling creates a dense interlocking weave in the granular structure of the alloy. It will make the cymbal strong enough to take a real beating. The interlocking weave will also help transmit sound waves more rapidly across the cymbal. After the cymbal has been tempered and pressed into its final shape, they place it on a spindle. While it spins, circular cutters shear the edges to a set diameter. Next, the cymbal is pounded. A hydraulic engine powers this hammering cylinder, and a computer program directs the force. These impressions will enrich the cymbal's sound by changing the path of the sound waves. Next, the application of tonal grooves. This craftsman puts the cymbal on a lathe, bottom side forward. The cymbal spins on an axle while the lathing blade cuts into it. He starts with a handheld lathing tool and then switches to one that's mounted on the machine. Lathing removes the cymbal's outer layer and carves those important tonal grooves into it. The depth and position will vary, depending on the type of cymbal being produced. He lays the top of the cymbal entirely by hand, so he can better control the amount of pressure applied. Watch those fingers. Don't worry, he knows what he's doing. He's honed his skills over 5 years of apprenticeship, and no automatic machine can duplicate the fine touch of an experienced cymbal craftsman. Now he removes the newly grooved cymbal and puts it on an edging machine. A big round metal clamp locks the cymbal in place. It spins while a cutting tool smooths out the edge of the cymbal. Here's a before and after shot. The ragged rim is before edging. The smoother one at the bottom is after. This guy has the best job. He's in charge of quality assurance. That means he tests each cymbal before it's sent out into the marketplace. He's listening for a range of sounds. Now, a laser etches the trademark into the cymbal. It also engraves a unique serial number. Next, a silicone pad sponges up ink from a print plate and transfers it to the cymbal. Now that the company logo is on, it's ready for shipping anywhere in the world. But this rough metal casting has already come a long way. It's been transformed into a smooth, sleek cymbal over a total of 21 days.